Okay, so ito yun. So papasok tayo sa loob guys kasi panginip mo. Ano kuya? Kuya, your butter chicken? Butter chicken available? Biryani? No? What's your available? Breakfast? You have a menu? Ang init guys sa labas, grabe. We respect guys na hindi pa allowed ang init sa labas. So we respect guys na hindi pa pwedeng mag-video ng matagal dun sa Kalidia Park. So for now, kakain na lang muna ako. So ito na lang muna gawin natin concept ng vlog. Try natin guys kung ano yung pwedeng makain dito sa Malabar Restaurant. So kakain tayo ng Indian food. Tingnan natin kung ano. Kuya, it's okay, you come here. So Kuya, this is spicy? Spicy this one sir or? Not too much. So this one bread, yeah? With bread, yeah, this one. So ito guys, in-order ko tong ito yung in-order ko sa kanila. Kuya, this one, you have this coconut? What is this? It's rice? Okay, give me this also one.
A few moments later.
Okay. So, puri bhaji pala guys ang tawag dito sa ano nila. Puri bhaji. So, itry ko siya Imran. Mahilig ako guys mag-explore. So, try ko lahat ng mga food na pwedeng kainin. So guys, sinerve na ni Kuya yung yung puri bhaji. So ito yun guys, puri bhaji. Ayan siya. So try kong kumain. Tapos guys, ito yung sauce. So this is Indian restaurant guys. Indian, right? Where this is dal? What you call this? Dal? Bhaji. This is the bhaji. Okay. Thank you. So guys, ito pala yung bhaji. Puri and bhaji. Okay. Thank you. So puri, they call this bread puri pala guys. Ito pala yung puri. Puri bhaji. Sarap. Ito pa yung isa. Sinag nila Kuya. So miswa pala to guys. Miswa. Tapos imimix. Number 5 po. Idiapam. So idiapam pala tawag dito. Miswa siya na may ano. So ngayon guys, lalapang ako. Sarap guys nung ano nila, puri bhaji. Nagustuhan ko yung taste. Thank you, kuya. Tagal ako hindi nakapag-soft drinks. Thank you, kuya. So, si kuya yung manager dito. Mabait siya. Thank you, kuya. This good. Ang sarap uminom ng soft drinks pag mainit sa labas, guys. So guys, pwede palang gumawa ng potato ng ganito yung ano. Gawa siya sa potato, tingin ko. Yeah, this potato, no? Potato? Patatas, yeah? Good. So guys, imagine they have a meal like this for potato. Para siyang mashed potato, guys. Tapos i-dip mo yung bhaji ba or puri. Sarap. Hindi siya ganun kaangang. So guys, sa murang presyo makakakain ka na ng masarap na meal. Dami rin kumakain dito, guys. So guys, sabi nga hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng sobrang mahal para matry yung mga iba't ibang klase ng pagkain. So ito, na-enjoy ko naman yung food. First time ko na-try to. Meron din yung Pakistan na ganito eh. Meron din silang version na ganito. Trinay ko last vlog. Pero ito kakaiba, masarap, malasa. So yeah, this is news. Okay. So guys, nanonood sila ng TV news. In fairness guys, ang gagwapo rin ng mga taga-India. Gaganda ng mga mata nila, ang haba ng mga pilik mata. Saka yung mata nila guys, bilugan. You live here, kuya? You live here?
Yeah.
Ah. Because I came for Calidia Park to make vlog, but they said it's not allowed. Because still not finished, fully finished. So what I did, I come here to make vlog. YouTube.
What's your name?
Leo Recacho.
Leo Likai.
Yeah, that's... Yeah, this is Indian food, yeah? Indian.
Yeah. It's South Indian. South Indian food.
Ah, okay.
We have different type of food in India. North India they are using different. North is different. We are from South India. So this is South Indian.
So this food pala guys is from South Indian part. So different yung ano. So instead of rice, kuya, they make this one. Yeah? Ha?
It's called idiyappam.
Idiyappam.
Make it with rice flour.
Idiyappam. Idiyappam pala tawag dito guys. So made from rice flour. Yeah.
And that's called puri.
Yeah, I like that one. Puri is the bread. Or this is the puri. Bhaji is the bread. Ah, puri bhaji. That's why they call puri bhaji. Thank you, Kuya. Ang sarap guys, kaso medyo mapaminta lang. So, kaya medyo maangang dahil dun sa paminta. So, try ko naman guys. So, you want to sit with? No problem. Today you're off?
Yeah.
Yeah, my off also. That's why I go to. Here you have data? Thank you, Kuya. What's your good name? Ibrahim. So I met Ibrahim here, guys, from India, South India. Last time I go to Greenhouse Farm, but it's a bit far here. The Shahama. I also work here. During my off, I'm making vlog. Extra income. Sorry, Kuya. You also making vlog? Huh? Where are you working? Ah, only near, yeah? Only near. Good. Imagine for a small price you will get full. Huh? For the lower price, you will get full. Nice meal. You have Filipino colleagues with you? So dito lang pala nagwo-work si Kuya, malapit sa Kalidia, near Kalidia lang. So nice guys. So rice flour yung alternative ano nila sa rice, you know. See you, thank you. So tapos na kumain si Ibrahim. Uwi na raw siya. Yun, may nakilala tayong taga rito. Ito yung ego, guys. Perfect yung boiled egg dun sa curry sauce. Ah. Kuya, this is curry sauce. Curry. Curry sauce, yeah.
You want to know the name?
Then they put boiled egg, yeah.
It is, I think so, egg curry. Egg curry.
Ah, egg curry. So guys, egg curry pala tawag dito sa meal nila na to. I'm full. I eat puri bhaji and this.
Puri is generally considered as heavy food.
Nice. But me, I'm not into spicy, but I like the taste of this one.
You should have tried for dosa. You should have tried for dosa. Dosa.
It's good. It's food.
That is light and good for health also. Dosa.
They have tomato also, right?
This is spicy.
Ginger, tomato,
Lot of spices are there.
and chili, yeah.
Lot of spices. Multiple spices.
I learned to eat spicy.
Indian food will always be spicy.
Also Sri Lankan, right?
Sri Lanka I have not tried much, but Indian.
But Sri Lanka too much spicy.
Nearby neighbor countries.
Only few minutes I'm eating, I'm sweating too much. So yan guys, tapos na akong kumain. Ano na lang akong tubig. Ay, salamat.
Saturday, Sunday is off. I'm into IT.
IT? Yeah.
So 2 days off.
Good, no? At least you enjoy. So yun guys, magbabayad. Kuya, how much? How much? So guys, visit here in Malabar. Malabar restaurant. They have delivery also, guys. Kuya, you have delivery also, right? I will tell here. So near Calidia, behind near Pachi. You know the Pachi chocolates guy? That shop near to them. You will see this Malabar restaurant. Ang salamat. Tapos na ako kumain. Sobrang nabusog ako, guys. Ang sarap ng food nila. Medyo sinipon ako dahil medyo spicy. Hindi ako masyadong sanay sa spicy. Pero kahit mahanghang siya, hindi ako... Nagustuhan ko naman yung lasa ng food nila. Masarap. Daming kumakain dito kasi nga masarap yung pagkain nila dito sa may Malabar. How much? Only 30. So guys, yung kinain ko sa dami ng kinain ko, 13 lang pala. Good price, kuya. Kuya, thank you. Thank you, kuya. So guys, ito yung ito yung labas na naman. So, tabi lang ng mall. I think taga rito si Ima. So, malapit So guys, ayan yung siniserve nila rito. Guys, ito na pala yung mismo yung Kalidia Mall. Akala ko tatawid pa ako. So dito lang pala siya mismo. Ang ganda rito guys, oh. So tingnan natin kung ano yung first time ko guys. As in, sobrang lapit ko sa Kalidia Mall. Pero hindi ako napupunta rito. So ngayon lang ako makakapunta. So since may pedestrian, kailangan natin sumunod. Ang ganda rito guys, oh. Tapos ayan yung mga building. Guys, minessage ko si Imran. Na-try ko siyang tawagan. I think natutulog siya. So ngayon, punta na lang ako rito sa Kalidia Mall. Since yung Kalidia Park medyo hindi para pwede i-video lahat doon. So, dito na lang muna ako mag-explore sa Kalidia Mall. Titignan ko kung ano pwedeng i-ano. Ito siya guys, ang ganda. As in, first time ko lang mapupunta rito guys. Naga kasi ako guys, kaya sarado pa mostly yung mga shops dito sa may Kalidia Mall. So guys, may Starbucks din sila rito sa may Kalidia Mall. Rechargeable kuya, this one? Huh? Not rechargeable. Nice, no? Different style. Thank you. And guys, they have this coffee maker. Philips. Dream ko guys magkaroon ng coffee maker na ganyan. Para at least pag nasa bahay ako. May Lulu rin pala rito sa may Kalidia Mall. So try ko dito sa electronics kung may mabibilan akong microphone. Kasi dito raw yung microphone nila. So i-check ko guys kung available siya. Ang laki ng Lulu rito guys. Sobrang laki. Sana meron sila rito microphone ng DJI. Kaya ako. So yun guys, nakabili na ako ng gift for Levi. So maghanak ako ng binyag this July 10. So ito ipapag-gift wrap ko na lang. How much the charge kuya for the gift wrap? Free? Okay. So Lulu is giving a free wrapping. Yeah, remove please kuya. Thank you. So kuya is doing wrapping here in Lulu supermarket. So you will see kuya here. You're from Nepal kuya? Nepal, okay. So guys, since nandito na lang naman din ako sa Kalidia, dumaan ako ng Kalidia Mall para makabili ng pang-gift. So buti na lang may nakita na akong pang-gift doon sa aking inaanak. So irarap na lang ni kuya. And then uwi na ako after this guys. So, kasi ang init-init na sa labas. Sobrang mainit na. So okay naman. Na-enjoy ko naman yung off ko for the day. Nakapag-vlog naman din ako. So hope you like this video guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share. So thank you guys. Have a good day to everyone and God bless. See you next time. Bye.